Greetings everyone and welcome. This is Neo and you are watching FinTech. If you enjoy our content, please do not forget to leave a like. You can subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be informed about our later videos. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. Before we start our video, let's hear our legal disclaimer. None of the information given in this video should be taken as financial advice. Please make your investments according to your own research. If you have seen the title before clicking this video, well, it is no surprise to you that I am going to talk about BlockDAG. BlockDAG is a project which I have talked about in this channel several times before. First, we watched their first keynote video actually. It was very helpful to understand the project and it really laid a very good groundwork to start understanding the project. And I think since my last video, they have doubled their presale. Right now, they have over $40 million invested in their presale, and this is just a very, very great achievement for BlockDAG. So it goes without saying that their first keynote video was a huge success. And now they have actually released their second keynote video, and I want to watch it together with you. But first, let me tell you that BlockDAG was not a project that has been stabilized. Actually, they are growing further day by day. And that is really a good thing because they have seen over 850 hundred. And actually, this is a really great thing because they have seen 850 hundred. And actually, that's a great thing because they have seen 850% price increase, ROI. And this is a number that only very few projects can achieve. Similarly, $40 million of investment is also something a few projects can only achieve in the blockchain space. And I think this is thanks to their great marketing with Keynote. And actually, they are very transparent in that Keynote as well. They talked about many points, and it's been very successful, and community loved it. That's why they are here with second Keynote. So without further ado, we can start watching it together. Here, if you also want to watch the second keynote yourself, you can click Keynote section on their main website. And here you will see the first keynote. If you haven't watched it, I suggest you to watch it. And right now, let's dive into their second keynote.
Welcome to our second keynote, brought to you from the moon.
Well, they're on the moon. That's a great metaphor,
But
actually.
before we get into that, though, I wanted to address one thing. Most of you thought the last presenter was AI. So here's proof that I'm 100% human.
I didn't think it was AI.
Today, we're
That's
delving
still a
into
good
the
thing.
release of the X1 app, updates on our blockchain, our all-human team docs, global marketing updates, and our significant roadmap enhancements. Stay tuned to the very end where we've got all the answers to all your questions. Now, join us as we explore the milestones we've achieved, the recognition by prestigious publications such as Forbes and Bloomberg, all.
Yeah, it was actually really nice to see that. The traction that BlockDAG got was massive, and they have been talked about in many major newsletters, and also community has seen a very big growth. I'm sure they will talk about this in this video, and I feel like this keynote will be much more technical than the first one, which is a good thing because people are actually curious about what BlockDAG really is.
To showcase our efforts, we've released over 45 development updates.
These
and you can
are
find
very
all
good.
of the latest.
They are brimming with technical details, and if you're a nerd about it, you should go ahead and check them. And their releases are real transparent as well, which I guess is very good for trustability of the project. And also they showcase how they're achieving the developments that they are achieving.
Latest exciting news on the dev releases section of our official website. These detailed updates provide specific information on all aspects of our daily development and are released every week, Monday to Friday. BlockDAG's detailed acyclic graph implementation is designed to handle concurrent operations efficiently and can optionally support persistence to disk, enabling the DAG to be saved and loaded across sessions while maintaining its structure and data integrity. This implementation provides a flexible and scalable solution for managing complex dependencies and relationships in a variety of scenarios.
This is actually where BlockDAG shines. They are much more scalable and much more easy to use than any other project out there. So they are planning a future where you can just handle it on their platform and easiest as ever.
By implementing a proof of work consensus mechanism with a directed acyclic graph, we ensure each transaction or event in the DAG requires validation through proof of work, where nodes compete to solve cryptographic puzzles in order to add new blocks or transactions to the graph. However, this comes with its own challenges.
Of course, they are creating a platform which is not only very fast, but also very secure. And of course, combining this can cause in some complex issues.
With BlockDAG, nodes must reach a consensus on valid transactions based on the cumulative proof of work done by preceding transactions, ensuring the security and reliability of the DAG. BlockDAG proof of work is integrated with BlockDAG using multiple protocols, including transaction issuance, conflict resolution, proof of work verification, and consensus establishment.
They have a very detailed white paper as well talking about these. And again, if you're curious about the minute technical details, I suggest you to take a look at it. We actually made a video about their DAG paper as well, so you can watch it as well.
The DAG ordering algorithm consumes the DAG from the previous round and outputs a list of blocks ordered in some topological manner. This is achieved by creating an empty list once the DAG has been received. DAG traversal is then initiated in a breadth first seen, with blocks ordered in some topological manner at every depth and blocks being inserted into the list. Let's introduce you to low code, no code. This will allow users to create.
I've heard that this is one of the key aspects that they are releasing this year, low code. And this means this will allow developers and actually many people in the blockchain world, even if you're a beginner, to allow use BlockDAG in its full potential.
Create, manage, and deploy software applications by dragging and dropping program components instead of writing new lines of code. Building decentralized applications on BlockDAG blockchains using this strategy introduces an intriguing opportunity to simplify development within this complex ecosystem.
Definitely. We often think that blockchain is just about investing, but it is also about creating. And if you're a creator in the blockchain, that's where you can get the most benefits. And that's where you can actually in the advantage. But of course, nobody knows coding as well as the software developers. So if you're not a software developer, you may have not the correct experience to build a blockchain application, but with their app, by just dragging and dropping, just like as you're playing a game, as you're learning new grammar structures, let's say, you will be able to generate new applications. And I think this is a really prominent approach to the blockchain technology, and it will allow many people into the platform, enriching their capacity, enriching their accessibility, and also providing new opportunities in the blockchain world altogether.
Developers will benefit from accelerated prototyping and reduced development time, enabling a broader range of individuals, including non-developers, to participate in dApp creation. The simplicity of this makes it open to all. Now, I'm thrilled to announce that the development and rigorous testing of phase 1 of the X1 miner app was successfully concluded over a week ago.
That's really great news. That has been one of the most anticipated features of BlockDAG since their first keynote, and it is really great to hear that it is finally here. They also have their mining rigs, if you remember, if you watched my previous video or if you watched their first keynote, and this is a great achievement. This means you can actually start mining, and this is at the tip of your fingers, but let's hear what they have to say about it.
This included wireframe and UI designing, user onboarding and pre-sale functionality. These significant milestones mean that, as of today, the X1 Miner application is officially available on both Android and Apple
iOS and Android.
This
that's
beta
really
version of the X1 Miner app is only a fraction of what will be available as we add the wallet and send-receive modules, as well as the leaderboard and community section.
Of course, this is just an early stage of the application, but it's really great that they have been able to build this application, actually releasing on both Android and iOS. And it's really strict. iOS rules are very strict to launch applications. So this is a really great achievement. And they say it is just a very early stage, and this is just a fraction of what will be available in the future. But there's already a lot of things in the application.
Before mainnet launch, when pre-sale ends. That said, it already gives you...
Did you catch that, by the way? The launch after the pre-sale ends. I think this will not take much time after the pre-sale ends. So you should keep on your toes if you're curious about BlockDAG and if you want to be a part of BlockDAG.
Gives you a great feel for the product and quality of work that we're doing. And through its key features, enables you to invite friends and boost your earnings in advance of the mainnet launch.
Great.
In addition, we're currently market testing the X10 miners by releasing them to key crypto
These are the miners which I've told you
and you'll be able to see their unboxing and reviews online shortly. Simultaneously, our focus extends to the refinement of the Blockchain Explorer component, where our team is working tirelessly on implementing the blockchain infrastructure. To date, we've already achieved blocks and transactions functionality with BlockDAG nodes, smart contract transactions, token page, and asset balances to come. This meticulous design process and the establishment of a robust foundation on the stack side will ensure seamless functionality and reliability in parallel with our application development efforts.
It is great that any project is spending time on building and perfecting these experiences for the users, and BlockDAG is a really good project at that.
BlockDAG's mainnet launch is just around the corner.
Yeah, just around the corner, as I've said.
And let me tell you, it's not just a launch, it's a seismic shift in the crypto landscape.
Yes, because BlockDAG have been very, very popular, and I want to repeat it again. They have a massive giveaway campaign already going on and 40 million in investments with 850% ROI rate already. Yes, their launch will be big.
So far, during our DevNet phase, we've concluded the development of our peer-to-peer engine, block and DAG algorithm with EVM compatibility and MetaMask integration already on the way. Testnet is scheduled for mid-August, and once all bug
Testnet is scheduled for mid-August. That's a great date to keep in mind.
Fixes have been resolved, mainnet is set to go live in the next 4 months.
Next
we
4
are
months.
Fully committed.
Mainnet, it's the mainnet. It will enable the whole project, and it's in 4 months. So, well, that's great news in Keynote.
This strategic timeline, while ensuring that every aspect of our platform meets the highest standards of excellence. We've already made significant strides, currently raising $500,000 per day. Projections show that this number can go up to $5 million per day, with pre-sale expected to finish in the next 4 months before the mainnet launch. This remarkable achievement serves as a testament to the growing momentum behind BlockDAG's mission to reshape the future of blockchain technology. In other exciting news, we can now announce
Plus Wallet integration. I think they have a new partner.
That our exclusive partner will be Plus Wallet for launch.
Great.
For ease of entry, we've increased our payment methods, allowing you to participate in the pre-sale using more than 10 payment options.
That's really great because many people want to invest in a project, but they don't have the right ways to get in there. Well, it is great that BlockDAG is integrating this and enabling users from all around the world and with different choice of wallets to use their platform seamlessly.
With some of those popular ones being USDT, Ethereum, and BNB.
All of the major ones, basically.
Like every great project, BlockDAG is supported by incredible people. In the next 3 months, we'll be releasing a doxing video showcasing our 100% human team.
That will be important. I think that is quite important for BlockDAG at this moment. They are growing rapidly and they need to show their team. And it's really great that this is among the plans and we will finally meet who are behind this great project.
Focusing on the development of BlockDAG. Our marketing efforts, just like our X1 Miner app, have ignited global excitement. From influencer partnerships to community outreach initiatives, we've created a movement that transcends geographical boundaries. Through educational content, interactive events, and personalized engagements, we're building a loyal following that believes in the BlockDAG vision. We have sparked a frenzy in the crypto sphere with endorsements from industry giants like Cointelegraph, Forbes, and Bloomberg. BlockDAG is sending shockwaves through the market.
Yeah, it's really great that they have been mentioned in these big newsletters and big journals because people get to know about the platform and people get to know about the platform from the third view, third perspective. And that means they are putting their objective efforts, objective views about the platform, and people can know about BlockDAG in an objective way. This is a great achievement that they are being talked about. And well, it's quite difficult after that point that people will shut up about BlockDAG because it's growing really good.
And because of our belief in the project, we're rewarding 50 early adopters with the opportunity to win a share of
this
$2
$2 million giveaway
million.
is really good, and actually you can visit this giveaway page from their website, from the
with over 60,000 entries already and 2 months left to go, the opportunity
Still
to
2
win
months left
is
to go.
open to all. Just follow the steps on the page. We're flying through the batches faster than expected.
Yes, there
Presale,
are different batches, and the price is always increasing, rapidly increasing as the batches are passed, and they have reached quite a number. And there is still some batches that will be completed in the next 4 months, and the price will increase as a result.
This updated white paper includes all technical details as well as the vesting periods.
It was very technical.
We've also had a number of questions about our contract address, and we can assure everyone that as BlockDAG is a standalone blockchain, there is no requirement for a contract address. These are just some of the top questions that have been asked by our community, and of course, we wish we could answer every question here. But you can find these and many more detailed answers on our FAQs, wiki, white paper, and development releases sections on our website. In conclusion, BlockDAG transcends the conventional boundaries of blockchain, embodying a spirit of empowerment and innovation. Through its diverse suite of offerings and cutting-edge technology, BlockDAG is not merely advancing, but reshaping the landscape of digital transformation.
Yeah, I can say that as well. BlockDAG is a serious platform which wants to change the way we interact with the blockchain world. They have their own network. They will have their own mainnet. And this mainnet will be secure and transparent and scalable, maybe more than ever. And the speeds are very, very impressive that they're talking about in their white paper with the technical details. And so far they have raised over $40 million, and there are still batches to go in this 4-month section. And after 4 months, their mainnet launch will be here, and they're growing with their community. There's a 2 million giveaway right now available on their website, which you can also check out and visit their webpage. BlockDAG is one of the most serious players in blockchain technology in 2024, and they are worth checking out. Their second keynote is much more technical, and they answer a lot of questions people might have about BlockDAG, and this is really great to see. They have released their second keynote with these in mind. If you want more information, you can visit them from the links down in the descriptions. That's all for today's video. We will continue to bring you the latest news and promising projects. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching FinTech. Until next time.